guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and here we are on our first layout using the May mini kit Monday kit that I put together. This is going to be a super easy layout. I am going to be using this Martha Stewart punch. This is a border punch. And these are the photos that I am going to scrapbook. I'm only going to use this pattern paper, the white paper here, and also the stickers. So like I said, it's going to be a very easy layout. So what first we're going to do is, or what I'm going to do is work on getting the punch or getting the border punched out. So I'm using the white paper here. And let me see where I will start here. I'll start in the middle, and then that way it'll be even on both sides, hopefully. I'm just eyeballing this and figuring out where the center is. Hey guys, so I was working on this layout and didn't realize the camera was off. I did show you this part here, and these are the pictures of the flowers that I took from the flower field at Carlsbad last year in April. And they are so gorgeous, guys. I mean, you can tell they are so beautiful. These are the ranunculus flowers. What I did was I anchored the first photo here. These are 4x4 pictures that were developed. So I made sure that there was a 1/2 inch border over on this side, and then I tacked this down and used this as the anchor to follow it through down the line here. And then of course I just used the stickers, my Webster Pages alphabet stickers here. As you can tell, guys, this was a very easy, simple layout. I finished this in, what, maybe 15 minutes. And unfortunately, I thought I had the camera on, but I thought I'd still share it with you guys and tell you how I created it. Anyway, I am still running the Michael's giveaway, gift card giveaway, I should say. It's going to be a digital gift card, and that's to celebrate my 1,000 subscribers, you guys. Our family is growing, so thank you, you guys. And the link to the giveaway and the mechanics and how to join it is going to be up in here and also in the description below. I'm going to put the link to the video. The giveaway is good until May 15th, so you still have plenty of time to join. So yeah, join and just celebrate with us. Anyway, guys, this is our video and this is our layout. Thank you so much for watching. I am so sorry I wasn't able to show you the full process, but I'm sure this is such a very easy layout. That's it for now. Again, thank you so much, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.